Hi guys, I'm here with Salon Republic in Woodland Hills. My name is Adriana Ortiz and we are at AG Studios. I'm here with Yessie Ortiz and today I'm going to be showing you guys the way I cut, texturize, and style her hair. So I have been doing Yessie's hair for quite a little now. We did start with long hair, yes. And I convinced her to go short and she fell in love. So now we are just maintaining the short hair, and so I want to show you guys the way that I texturize her hair. It's very thick, so I feel like it's a very important step. So I do like to cut the length of the hair wet. I feel like you can control the length a little more that way. So I'm gonna have you look down, Yessie. And we are only trimming. We're only cutting a little bit, not too much. So when I do get to the front, I like to keep it at a slight A-line. I'm gonna have you look down. I feel like it's very flattering for the face. So we are all done blow drying, and now I'm gonna texturize her hair. We're gonna get rid of a lot of the weight and add a lot of movement, body, and just make her look edgy. I feel like you can never be too edgy, right? And I like to start off by getting rid of the weight at the bottom. So Yessie does have very, very thick hair. So I feel like this just removes that weight and it kind of makes it look a little more bouncy and fun and kind of get like a good amount of weight off. Like I know a lot of people do this and they only remove like very little. I like to kind of start more at the top. Okay, so I am moving towards the top and I'm doing the same exact technique. And you can see that it looks so much better.
Need a break from heartbreak. Need a love that won't hate. Need a spark that won't burn. And a hand that won't hurt. Had me waiting, waiting, waiting. And
we are all done with cutting and texturizing. And now I'm gonna style. So I do use the straightener. It's very fast and I love it, especially because you kind of want to get your clients out. This is the part that should be fast and, you know, easy to do. So I don't section the hair. I like to just start at the front, start at the top. I bend the straightener a little bit, not too much, and then I let go before I reach the bottom part or the ends, and then I like to straighten it for that more messy look. So we get a curl like that. And then I move my way towards the back. Kind of making sure that I'm not leaving out any section. It's very important to not go over 350 degrees. So you want to keep it under 350 or at 350. Start at the top, just bend it. Before I reach the ends, I let go and then just straighten. And if the curl gets if the curl gets a little too tight, I do go over it with the straightener to kind of loosen up the curl a little bit. And it also helps to kind of get rid of these little flyaways that you see.
calling helplessly, then you rescued me. It's been a long time coming, long time coming.
So we are all done, and this is our final result. The cut, style, and texturize technique that I use. So if you guys have any questions, you guys can follow me at AG Studios and check out more of my work on my Instagram. And Yessie, you are at
Yessie Ortiz.
if you guys want to see a little more of her. And we're all done.
Yay, thank you.
Of course.